Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cleaning your computer hard disk and you can free up your space. First go to your C drive and here right click on it and go to properties. From properties go to disk cleaner and select your file if anything is deselected. So I'm going to select all of this file. And click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this first? So I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see in here total amount of disk space you gain 1.10 GB. So I'm going to delete this file. It's cleaning my drive. So this is our first way where you can clean up your space. I'm going to close this. And here in search disk cleanup. Select your drive. You can also select another drive. I'm going to select D drive and click on OK. And you can select your recycle bin or DirectX. So I'm going to click on OK again and delete this file. Go to disk cleanup again. Select your driver. I'm going to select C drive. Go to disk cleanup again. Select another drive and click on OK. Now you can see in here recycle bin. I'm going to select recycle bin and click on OK. So this is our second way. Now open your RAM and here search temp and click on OK. Select all your file by press Ctrl A and delete this file. Windows R again to open your RAM and select temp, this temp, write this in your RAM and click on OK and select all your file and click delete. Close this one and open RAM again. Go to preface and click on OK. You need to give permission, don't worry about that. Select all your file and delete all of this. So guys, this way you can easily clean up your PC and you can boost your PC. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.